welcome to this video again. Last time we drew a creeper, but now we were drawing a Minecraft bee. So first we are going to draw like the creeper. The other time we drew just a square, but now we are going to draw just a regular rectangle. Next you are going to draw like this shape, like for the antenna. I think it's kind of like the antenna. I think it is for the antenna. And then for the eye, going to draw this. And then draw a little square inside the eye. Fill the outside of the eye in. Like that. Next, we are going to draw the legs. First, you just draw that. Then you draw this. And last leg, you draw this. That's the legs. Now we are going to draw the wing. First you draw these little stair steps. It's kind of like stair steps, but instead it's supposed to be the wing, but then you draw like that above. Then draw this, that for the wings. And then for those, you can draw little lines around this, like that. Just keep drawing lines, and you can draw like more detail on the wing, like just little lines, like kind of like shady lines or something like that. Anyways, for the stripe, now we are going to draw the last thing, the stripes. Just draw these like, and then you can draw like that, this, that. And now you have finished your bee. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, but I'm not gonna be able to do like the coloring and stuff for the creeper. Like, yeah, I'm not. I might be doing coloring for some videos, but not coloring for some videos, but I just don't have that much time. But yeah, so make sure to watch my videos. Bye.